Welcome to another part of the ISM Exercise Set Microeconomics. This time with a unit on costs and calculating the different types of costs. Let's have a look at the exercise. Here we have the following table and we should fill in the missing values. So let's just copy this table. Then we can directly start with the variable costs, because variable costs, that's just the difference between total costs and fixed costs. So we just subtract from the total costs the fixed cost. So we have 20 minus 20, giving us variable cost 0. 40 minus 20, variable cost 20. 60 minus 20, giving us variable cost 40. Then 80 minus 20, 100 minus 20, and 120 minus 20. So that's relatively easy. The average costs also are not this hard. We simply divide the total cost by the output. Well, we can't divide by 0, so the first we leave blank. Then we have 40 divided by 100, 0.4. Then we have 60 divided by 190, that's this one. 80 divided by 275, 0.2909. 100 divided by 355, it's this one, and finally 120 divided by 430, giving us this one. So that's our average costs. Now we're up to the marginal costs. Again, the first one we cannot calculate, because the marginal costs, they arise from calculating the difference or the cost increase divided by the output increase. So in the first step, we go from 20 to 40 with regarding to cost. So we have a cost increase of 20. We divide this cost increase by the output increase. Here we go from 0 to 100. So we divide 20 by 100, giving us 0.2. Then in the next step, we go from 40 to 60. Have a cost increase of 20. We divide this by the output increase from 100 to 190. So we go 20 divided by 90, giving us here 0.222. Then for the next one, again, cost increase of 20. That's from 60 to 80. And an output increase by 85 from 190 to 275. So 20 by 85, that's 0.2353. Then for the next one, from 80 to 100 and from 275 to 355. So divide 20 by 80, and we get 0.25. And finally, 20 divided by, and then the difference again, 430 and 355, giving us here a marginal cost of 0.2667. And well, that's already everything there is to be done with this table. We have the average costs by dividing total cost by the output, and the marginal cost by dividing the cost difference by the output difference. And well, that's all there is to be done. So I hope you enjoyed listening to it. And if you're looking for more exercises, feel free to visit the rest of the exercise set or have a look in the corresponding playlist. I say goodbye and see you next time.